While the powerful reporting module makes analysis easy, the data module also allows you to export and import data. First, to export. Pick a survey project and click on Data. A quick look across this menu and you'll see the most popular options are available for exporting data. For example, Excel. If this is the first time you've exported data from this project, the data will need to be prepared for export. Keep in mind that this process can take from a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on how many results you've collected. If you'd like to do something else in the meantime, you'll be notified as soon as the data is ready. Once the data is ready, either instantly or momentarily, a wizard leads you through the process. Customize step by step or export now at any point. First, which questions would you like to include? Make your choices or stick with the default, All. Next, would you like to include any additional metadata about participants and their responses? Any options that appear as unavailable are not applicable in this survey. As needed, narrow down the data to be exported based on certain conditions or time period. Next, if you need to add codes for analysis in another statistical program, do so here. Finally, depending on the number of responses in the survey, you may need to choose which range of responses to export. Then, Export. And there it is. Use the same process to export through any other format. Now to import. If you need to import data into the platform, one of the easiest ways to quickly create a perfectly formatted document is to start by exporting data. Clear the content to enter new responses, or make the updates you need, then import. For importing data, the best format to use is our own customized format here. This format is designed for a seamless import process. When your data file is ready, click on Import. First, browse and upload the file. Then, identify whether it has a header row, it does, and if it contains a column of identifiers, like email addresses or unique IDs. Then, map columns. Review to make sure everything's matched up correctly, then import data. If the system detects any blank fields or mismatches, you can review the findings here. As needed, update the data file and upload again to avoid any issues with your final data. Good to go? Your data will be queued for import and you'll be notified when it's ready. Data to go in no time.